How's it going, guys? RC McGee. Today we picked up a Arrma Boost 4x2. This is my second one. The other one I opened and played with it. That one is blue. This one is orange. This is what comes in the box. Here's your controller. And your truck. So 1/5 scale model. Does not come with a battery. Comes with batteries for your controller, but does not come with a battery for the vehicle itself. Something you have to purchase separately. Nice squishy tires. Definitely like the hood pins. Ooh, stout. There she is. This one is 4-wheel drive upgradable, so you can buy the kit and upgrade it yourself to make it 4-wheel drive. That is something that I'm going to do to this one and my other one that is blue. The reason why I bought another one, well, I like the way they drive, and my step kid bought him this one for him to play with. I bought his sister the blue one. I'm thinking about buying me one. I do love my Slash though, but this is a very nicely rugged built monster truck for the money. Right now it's on sale. I bought it for $170. Gas shocks. Very nicely constructed. Everything's so well placed. I like the strapping that they have for the battery.